In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify images in Microsoft Copilot. So whatever it is that you want to figure out what the image is or where this place is or what that animal names or what is the product or whatever it is, you can use Copilot to identify. So you want to open up Copilot, have a new conversation going and simply click the plus on the upper right. Then you want to click on upload. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is by finding, for example, this image here of this shoes. I'm going to open this and I'm going to just say, what is this? For example, shoe, for example, and hit enter, and Copilot will read it or check it and tell me what it is. And so you can see that it tells me that this is a Uggs and popular shoe style known for comfort and so forth, so forth. So you got it right. And let's say I want to try another one. I'm going to upload another image here. So I'm going to say, for example, where is this? And hit enter, and it's going to examine the image, try to see if it can identify where it is, and it's going to give me an example. Not all images it will be able to tell, but in most cases, it will try to identify the image. And you can see that it really spots this image and it tells you, hey, this is in New Zealand. Let's try another one. For example, I have another image. I'm going to do the same. Open it. You don't even have to write the same text. You can say, and this one, for example, because it knows what you're doing, and this one. But if you're opening up for it for the first time, you may want to give it a more clearer prompt. So, but in this case, I can just simply say, and this one, and it's going to tell me again that this is Paris. And check, for example, I will do this for an animal. So I can open up this and I can just say, what is this animal, for example? And you will see that it's going to tell me. Here you can tell it said that it is a meerkat. And so you can easily see what it is. So guys, you can easily use Microsoft Copilot to examine and identify images. If you're not sure what it is, you can do it for plants, you can do it for places, whatever it is. Upload it and ask what it is, and you can learn it very fast. That's it.